Everyone's telling you to learn n8n and build AI automations, but nobody's shown you the roadmap that you need to follow and how long it's going to take. So 3 weeks in, you've built some workflows, but you're wondering, am I behind? Should I have clients by now? And is this even working? I've generated over $25 million for my clients over the last 8 years. And in that time, I've seen so many people in this position, lost, unsure, and thinking about quitting. See, most people actually quit after a couple of weeks. Not because n8n is too hard, just they're unsure of whether they're even on the right path. So 4 to 6 months, that's the real time frame of what it's going to take for you to get from 0 to 5 figures per month. And in this video, I'm breaking down the exact roadmap you need to follow, what to focus on at each stage, how long each stage takes, and the mistakes to avoid. So stage 1, you're building the foundation and you're getting your first client. This can typically take 3 to 5 weeks if you do it right. So let's say you have 0 automation experience, you have no portfolio and no case studies. So the goal here is simple: build your first workflow and learn the fundamentals, and eventually get your first client. So week 1, you need to master the basics. Understand the 20% of nodes that solve 80% of the business problems. We're talking about things like triggers, webhooks, HTTP requests, and all that good stuff. Weeks 2 to 3, you pick a simple automation that helps a business save time or make more money. So this could be lead enrichment, it could be ad scraping, customer onboarding. Just pick one and build it. And this can be a simple 5 to 10 node workflow, nothing crazy, nothing too complex. And weeks 3 to 5, find one business that needs this and charge 500 to 1,000 bucks, or do it for free if you have to. Get them results and get a video testimonial. And my student Steven did exactly this with 0 prior technical experience. He got his first client, which was a TikTok agency, in the first 30 days of us working together.
Got in contact with a TikTok agency in person, and they end up asking if I wanted to build them a workflow. So decided to, and threw myself in the deep end, as you probably know.
And that's stage 1, learn by building something real. But landing your first client is the easy part. Stage 2 is where most people get stuck and end up making just pennies. Stage 2 is productizing and building systems. So you're a month in on your n8n journey. And the goal here is to start charging for repeatable solutions and refine your offer. Focus on productizing what worked in stage 1 and create a clean and repeatable system. Learn the basic tools that work well with n8n. This could be Airtable, it could be Slack, it could be Google Sheets, OpenAI, all sorts of different integrations that you can integrate into your workflows. Now find 3 to 5 clients that need the same kind of solution and price between $500 to $1,500 per workflow, or even include a retainer for upgrades, for maintenance, and for the tweaks that you'll inevitably will have to do in production. And by the end of this stage, you should have 3 to 5 case study portfolio pieces for you to move forward with. You should have a clear, defined offer, something like we help agencies save 10 hours a week through automations. And you should have early cash flow of something like $2,000 to $5,000 a month. And this stage takes about 4 to 5 weeks of focus building, outreach, and pitching. But $2,000 to $5,000 still means that you're trading time for money. And this is where most people get stuck. So stage 3, freelancer to AI operator. So now we're in month 3 to 4. And the goal here is to move from building just random workflows to becoming an AI operator. And this is someone who knows how to design, debug, and deploy production-grade systems. So start by improving how you deliver your projects. You can use tools like Notion or Airtable to track your builds and to track client feedback, and create your own internal systems and templates for onboarding, for testing, and delivery. And focus on mastering things like error handling, sub-workflows, and modular workflow design, so you can build systems that don't break when they scale. And by the end of this stage, you should be earning at least $5,000 per month, have completed 5 to 8 real projects for businesses, and know how to confidently build automations that can handle real-world data without breaking. And expect this to take around 2 months if you're building consistently and working with clients. So now you're at 5K a month. You can either stay here and make a pretty comfortable living, or you can shoot for the stars and make 10, 20, or even 50K per month. So stage 4 is scaling to 5 figures in month 5 to 6. So the goal here is to break through the ceiling and hit consistent 5-figure months. Not from working more hours, but from actually selling to better clients and charging more. You stop selling n8n workflows and you start selling business outcomes. Not, I'll build you a lead enrichment workflow. You're going to shift that to, I'll help you get 15 qualified appointments per month. So now you're charging $3,000 to $5,000 per project, and you're charging anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month as a retainer. So why can you charge more? Well, now you have case studies, you've got proof. You should have 3 to 5 case studies, ideally of businesses all in the same industry. And you have workflow templates that help you deliver in days, not weeks. And you've got clients who'll vouch publicly for your work. So 3 projects at $4,000, that's $12,000 in revenue. And 5 retainer clients at, let's say, $1,500 a month, that's going to be $7,500 per month. So now you're consistently hitting over 10K a month. Now here's the thing, you have 2 ways to execute on this roadmap. So option number 1, you can take everything that I've shared with you in this video. You can go ahead, build some workflows, watch a few more YouTube videos, solve problems, fix things that break, make a bunch of mistakes and learn from them. And eventually you might be able to figure it out. Nothing wrong with that, but it often takes a lot longer and the opportunity cost is pretty high. Or there's option number 2. You could have somebody who's generated over $25 million in revenue for his clients guide you through this entire process and help turn you into an AI operator in 90 days. And for that, I've got my mentorship program. Twice a week, we meet on group calls. You show up, you tell me what you're working on, and I'll tell you what to fix. In between calls, you've got the community. You can DM me. So send me a video and I'll get back to you the very same day. But the group is only capped at 20 people this month because honestly, I can't give personalized attention to more than that. So if you want to learn more about this, there is a link in the description where you can apply and speak to me to see if this is going to be a good fit for you. Or you can close this video and spend another 5 months in tutorial hell. You're an adult, you can decide for yourself. Hopefully, see you there.